It's guys, so today I'm here with another holiday inspired video, and this is going to be my second collaboration with Allovehair. So yes, we're going to be working with a wig today. I had a hard time actually deciding what I was going to do to this wig because where is the wig? Okay, so this wig is just perfect out of the box. Like, I don't feel like I have to do anything to this wig as far as the curls go because it literally looks like heatless wand curls. So usually you guys know I do the whole shebang. I'm like plucking, bleaching the knots, and I'm not a wig expert or anything, but I just like to do all of that to get the whole look, you know, to have a nice finished look. But yeah, not much work has to go into this wig because it's already bomb on its own. I didn't even tell you guys what this wig is called. So this is Allovehair's loose deep wave wig in 16 inches, and the parting is 13 by 4. So super nice. Allovehair, their hair doesn't smell weird, so I'm okay with like not washing it because like I said, I'm not going to do anything to the hair. Yeah, I'm super excited about this wig. Like, I cannot wait. It just reminds me of holiday wand curls, and I actually don't have a wand curler. If I did, I would probably go over the curls a little bit more, but I don't. So we're just gonna roll with it, and yeah, I just think the curls are so pretty. So I can't wait to put this on my head. Alright you guys, so I decided to add in a quick holiday makeup tutorial since you guys often compliment me on my makeup looks. So what I'm doing right now is just putting my acne cream and moisturizing my face. All the products that I'm using will be listed down below in the description box. So now for my foundation, I'm actually using concealer, and this is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC50. I love this because it's super lightweight, so I just blend this out with my finger. Next, I'm using this Ben Nye powder in the shade Topaz to set underneath my eyes. After that, I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Finish powder in the shade NC50. This is my favorite face powder because it's really lightweight and comfortable to wear on the skin, and it also doesn't break me out. Now for a pop of color, I'm using my favorite blush ever. It's by Black Radiance, and the shade is Toasted Almond. Now we're going to jump right into lashes, and I'm using L'Oreal's Voluminous Mascara in the shade Carbon Black, and this one does a great job at giving me length and also volume. So to finish off this look, I'm just going to do my lip look today, and I'm using NYX Slim Lip Pencil in the shade Hot Cocoa, and then I'm going to finish off the lip with some MAC glosses. So I'm using 2 from the Lucky Stars lip gloss kit. And that pretty much sums up my holiday makeup look. It's very natural and simple. So now we're going to work on the wig, and I'm so happy to partner up with Allovehair again, trying this new wig. Off camera, I went ahead and sewed a piece of elastic band onto the wig just so that it can fit more firm and secure on my head. Now what I'm going to do is pretty much a hack if you don't want to bleach the knots for your wigs. So for this, I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC50, and I'm just applying a little bit of that, and I'm going to blend it out with my brush. So after doing that, I let the foundation dry for about 5 minutes before applying the wig, and now I'm just fitting it onto my head and adjusting it. As for the baby hairs, this wig came with long baby hairs that I probably should have been more careful with cutting because I cut them too short, as you guys can see, but I'm doing my best to just blend them with my natural baby hairs. Now I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder in the shade Dark Golden, and I'm just going to apply that onto the part so that it looks a bit more natural. So now I'm taking my Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. I'm adding this to the top of the wig just so that we can control some of the frizzies that are standing up at the top. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and take my Afro pick so that the wig can have more body. And this is pretty much the finished look, you guys. I really love how these curls were just like effortless. They were beautiful straight out of the box. The hair was super soft and it had so much body, as you guys can see. Allovehair also sent along these reindeer ears, which was very festive, so I put those on as well. So if you guys are interested in Allovehair, definitely check the description box down below, and also use my coupon code to save some money off your purchase. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.